Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are doing question number 2 from H.C. Verma book Concepts of Physics 1 from chapter number 3 Kinematics. According to the question, a particle starts from origin, goes along the x-axis to the point 20, 0. The point a particle starts from the origin, suppose this is the origin O, goes towards the x-axis, suppose this is x-axis, the point moves to the particle moves to the point 20 meters, 0, and then returns along the same line to the point -20. So first the particle moves towards the positive x-axis and then it returns in the same line and moves to the negative x-axis and reaches the point -20, 0. So we have to find the distance and displacement of the particle during the trip. So the trip starts from the origin, so this is the initial point, and the trip ends at -20, 0. So this is the final point. We have to find the displacement. So distance. So distance would be equal to the actual path length which the particle travels. So the particle travels from point O to point A and then towards point B. So the particle's path length is OAB, and this would be equal to OA would be equal to OA is 20 and AB is equal to 20 plus 20, that is 40. So total distance which the particle travels, OAB is the distance, is equal to 60 meters. Now we have to find the displacement. Displacement is equal to the distance between the initial point and the final point. It is the straight line distance. So initial and final point, the distance between them is equal to OB, and that is equal to 20 meters. As displacement also has direction, so therefore we will find the direction of this. The direction would be starting from the initial point towards the final point, that means towards the negative x-axis. Direction is towards the negative x-axis. So this is displacement is 20 and distance is 60 meters. Thank you.